Ostriches gain birds. A very big bird. A ostrich is the biggest bird in the world. More ostriches are taller than the tallest people. Ostriches have wings and feathers, but they can't fly. And an ostrich can run fast and fall. It is the faster animal is two legs. It runs faster than most four legged animals. Eye on the prize. Ostriches have small head with big eyes. Their eyes are bigger than those of any other land animal. Home sweet home. Most wild ostriches live in Africa. They live in small of 10 or more birds. Ostriches use teamwork to stay safe. They sharpen eye and long neck help them spot danger from far away. What is on the menu? Ostriches eat grass, other plants, and fruits. They also eat bark and other small animals. Ostriches don't drink much water. They get water from the plants and fruits they eat. Look out! Run! Lion and cheetah hunt ostriches for food. Ostriches must be on the lookout. Their long necks help them look far. They have strong legs and big feet. And ostrich can kick very hard. Its kick can kill a lion. Ostriches make a loud noise when they see a lion. The noise warns other animals that lions are near. From big eye to big bird, a male ostrich digs a sorrow piece in the dirt for a nest. The mother lays her egg in the pit. It's 6 weeks. Baby ostrich hatches from the egg. A baby ostrich